The ruling ZANU-PF, increasingly reeling from intensifying leadership succession battle, is working on an internal circular to clarify how members are co-opted into various party structures in the aftermath of the recent upsurge of escalating infighting over political maneuvering by local business mogul Kuda Tagwirei to get into the decision-making central committee through the back door. Zanabina mashoko nobudanyuka panguva ino. Aiwa, chaos iri kuitika the ruling party ZANU-PF, subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timura mnamubudanyuka conscience. Co-option, also known as co-optation, refers to the process where new members are added to an organization, structure or committee by existing members, often through a vote or appointment. The ZANU-PF co-option process circular is being worked on through National Political Commissar Mnyaradzi Machacha and the Secretary General Obed Mpofu's offices. The Tagwirei co-option dispute has further divided the party down the middle, with some ZANU-PF senior officials and members supporting his admission and others fiercely opposing it. Last week on Wednesday, the Politburo, the supreme decision-making administrative organ of the Central Committee, was deemed to have adopted his co-option by consensus when no one opposed it, after a report by Machacha that led to Tagwirei attending the Central Committee the following day on Thursday, before he was booted out of the meeting by Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Chiwenga is locked in a cutthroat succession tussle with Mnangagwa, with Tagwirei emerging as a dark horse, even though he now denies it. The provinces wanted Tagwirei largely because of his business profile and money, not political capital. Harare province eventually won the bid to rope in Tagwirei, but the process was stalled by Chiwenga and his faction. Ndo mashuko aripo panguva ina ari kunzi vipi Constantino Chiwenga panguva ina havasi kutomboteerera zvavo nonsense kana zvisina basa, havasi kunyara. Aiwa, patiri kuona kuti vakauya vakamisa kuda kwashe Tagwirei. Aiwa, chiitiko chinoona kunzi even Bomshogezi atopreza zvikanzi vipi Constantino Chiwenga, thank you, muri kunyaso kuratidza kuti muri kuziva zvamuri kuita. Bhodhi dzemafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Aiwa, zviri kuitika muZANU-PF panguva ino. Pinda kuma section medu dzemafungiro enyu, musaona subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.